What are trending house plants that every gardener loves to keep? What is very easy to grow, low maintenance, permanent, and everybody's loving plant? So in today's video, I will be showing you what are the plants that everybody loves to keep, the trending house plants, famous house plants. So let's jump into the video and see the plants. This is Zizzy Plant, which doesn't like the bright direct sunlight. This plant grows in the shade, semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight. And this is one of the easy growing plants, no need of fertilizer as well. You can keep it indoors and you don't need to water on regular basis. Another beautiful looking and also one of the air purifier plant is the spider plant. These plants also very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Once you bring one plant from a nursery, you will see that there will be amazing growth. Provide them the semi-shade, not the bright direct sunlight area. You can multiply them easily with baby reds of spiderets. These are the spiderets, so you can grow easily them in water and also directly in soil. These plants also loves the semi-shade and partial to medium in direct sunlight will be tolerable by these spider plants. So there are many videos which I have uploaded to the channel. You may check them with your time. So this is another trending house plant. Aloe Vera plants. This is another trending house plant. This is a great rooting hormone for the plants as well. So we use them in our gardening, and also this is one of the medicinal plant. This is one of the trending house plant. With every gardener you can find these plants because they are also low maintenance and permanent. And also there's another added advantage of having this. This is many usable plant. Very much helpful plant in many areas in our lives, hair care, skin care, and even in medicinal purposes. This has been used for ages. So this is another house plant which doesn't need daily watering because it's a succulent plant, and this is a wonderful indoor plant as well. So keep it in the semi shade and you will see the amazing growth of this beautiful plant, aloe vera. You can see my plant is pot filled now with many plants. Baby plants are appearing. I can multiply them easily and separate them to another plant. Provide them ample space. Different colors, varieties of coleus plants will absolutely decor your garden. These are every gardener's favorite because they are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent plants. You can grow them with a single stem cutting, either in water. You can propagate them directly in soil. These plants doesn't need fertilizer as well. So since these are very easy growing plants, everyone loves having them in their garden. So these are one of the trending house plants. These you can grow indoors or else you can grow them in a shady corner in your garden. Lucky bamboo plants. These are also trending house plant and very famous among every gardener. You can grow them very easily with stems in water and also in soil. This is another house plant which doesn't need any fertilizer as well, and they live in your garden forever. Once you bring it from a nursery, you will have them forever in your garden because these are low maintenance and permanent. These are one of the trending house plants. Another trending house plant is the money plant, very famous plant among every gardener and also beginners as well. So this is a low maintenance permanent plant. You can simply grow them with a single stem, only to find the aerial root and get a stem from a friend of yours, and you will see their growth will be amazing. These are the aerial roots. Once you put them in water, you will see very easy to propagate. Another trending house plant is this syngonium plant. You can see mine catching the parapet wall. So it's amazingly growing. This is another trending house plant, low maintenance, permanent and shade loving. You can keep them indoors as well. There are many varieties too. Dwarf syngonium. Philodendron varieties. This is another variety of philodendron which is trending and very famous among every gardener because these are low maintenance and permanent plants. Snake plant, Sansevieria. You don't need to water them on regular basis. and one of the air purifier plants.